All right, question 12. Here's this diagram of a shed. You want to install a shelf halfway. That's the key point, halfway up the 8-foot wall. We built between the two walls, halfway. How long should the shelf be? The idea of halfway is related to the mid-segment. Okay, so we can say that the shelf, which is the mid-segment, is going to be half. That's the definition of the mid-segment of the base. So the base is 15 here. So if we half the 15 feet, we get 7.5 feet. That is actually the shelf's height. Okay, that is based on the mid-segment, right? Then we want to find the from the ground to the shelf of the slanted wall part. So you want to find this piece right here. Doesn't matter because we know that since this is halfway, it splits up that 17 to two parts. Okay, and the two parts that it splits it in is, right, since the shelf is the middle of the wall, we basically split that 17 in half, which is 8.5. So the bottom part is 8.5, which is congruent to the top half, which is 8.5. The reason why, because again, it is the mid segment, right? Because it is halfway up the walls.